Hello everybody, this is Marshall Studios Forever Productions here. Marshall Studios Forever Productions is taped in front of a live audience today. I'm going to be running my 1990s Hoover Elite Energy Efficient. This is a 1994's model. And this vacuum cleaner does bring back from the 90s. And I remember having this vacuum cleaner back when I was a kid, Back in 2007, I actually bought it at a garage sale back in 2007 before at a church sale. I remember buying it in brand new condition, and I really found out that I really wanted to buy this vacuum cleaner at the Emporium store, and I bought this at Saba's Emporium for $15. And I actually fixed it up and made it brand new, and also the machine works really fantastically. I grew up with these type of machines before, and I remember this is a 1994's model. And I'm going to turn on the machine and give her a run. Well, everybody, this machine is really loud. It's a pretty loud machine because, older Hoovers are mostly kind of loud at times, but it's normal, okay? I really love the sound because it has a good sound to it. It's kind of loud and noisy, not too bad. It won't damage your ears. It's not a bad motor, but this is a good motor, you guys. And I really noticed that, older Hoovers have good sound to it because... And they are kind of loud, Well, everybody, make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. Click down below what you want to see for a brand new video. Also, on December 6th, I will see you on the Uncle Rico Show.